This video will help you in the setup of your new Burg Wachter CombiLine or dual safe. The dual safe is different in the fact that it has a fingerprint reader, and we will address that later in the video. Please watch the video in its entirety or read the manual before attempting to use your safe. When programming your safe, it needs to be open and in the unlocked position. The factory default code is 123456. Be sure to test all your codes and fingerprints that they are working before you lock your safe. The manual is an excellent resource. We highly recommend reading it. This will help you with the setup process, and you'll learn fun things like how to create and delete codes for multiple users, how to create a delayed opening for up to 99 minutes, and how to view your opening history. My keypad is slightly different because it's been initialized already, so my steps may look different from yours. To begin, we press the on button. I'm going to press function, which will take me to the menu. It is in German currently, so I'm going to change the language. I use the numbers 1 and 2 to scroll up and down the screen. Sprache language is where I want to go, so I press the number 2. Notice how it is indented, so that tells me that's my selection, and I press enter. Now I scroll down using the number 2 again to English. It's indented, so that's my selection, and I press enter. Now my safe is now set for English. I can use the function again to go out of this submenu back to the main menu. Now I would like to change my code. So I use the number 1 to scroll up to code change, press enter. The previous code, or the factory default code, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, enter. Now I'm going to choose a new code. Please be sure to choose a code that is not easily recognizable. Of course, I'm using a simple code because this is not a working safe. Once you've entered your 6-digit code, press enter. Repeat your 6-digit new code, press enter. Now your code change is complete. Now you may be asked to set your time and date. To do that, I have to scroll down to Administrator, press enter, and go to the timer functions. Now I can enter in the time using my new administrative code, the 6-digit code I just created. I can select the time and then press enter. To select the date, I'm going to scroll down, press enter. And notice that this is day, month, year. So I'm going to set the day, now the month, and now the year, and press enter. So the date and time have now been set. For those with the dual safe, we will look at creating a fingerprint. I'm going to hit the function button to go back to the main menu. Here's the main menu. To create a fingerprint, I'm going to select Administrator. Now I'm going to go to User. Press enter. I'm going to create a new fingerprint, so I'm going to hit enter. And then I'm going to scroll down to create finger. Enter. Put in your new code that you created, the 6 digits. Now it asks me to swipe down with my finger. Make sure you lay your finger flat. Apply a medium amount of pressure. Tells me to repeat, so I do it again. Okay, that did not work, so I'm going to start over. I'm going to press enter, and now I'm going to slide my finger down. It asks me to do it again. You'll have to repeat this process several times in order to scan your finger. And once it has a complete scan, It'll show this. Now we hit enter, and our fingerprint has now been stored. You can create several different fingerprints. If you have dry skin or poor circulation, you may have to use a different finger, such as a middle finger or a thumb. Those typically work better if you have poor circulation or if you have dry skin on certain fingers. Okay, I'm going to go back to the main menu. And now I want to double check that everything is working. So my fingerprint has worked. It's telling me that I can turn the knob and open the safe. I'm going to check my code. Press on. And I'm going to enter in my 6-digit code to make sure that that is working. It is, so I can turn the knob and open the safe. In case you ever have to change the battery compartment is located at the bottom of your keypad. You have a special T8 screwdriver, which should have come with your safe, that you use to loosen the 2 screws here. And this battery takes 4 AA batteries. Please be sure they are not rechargeable. Thank you for watching the video.